My name is Brandon Mosier. I live in Spartanburg, South Carolina. I'm doing a product review for treestuff.com on the Petzl Am'D Screwgate Carabiner. Really nice, pretty inexpensive. From Petzl, they're good quality stuff. Yeah, so you screw, it's not opening, unlock. They even have the red, so if you see that, it's not locked, right? But I have no problems with it, no issues. It's a really nice carabiner. Life support is rated 27 kilonewtons. So can't go wrong, right? Yeah, I really like it though. It doesn't get jammed. This and that. So but even if it did, right, you got the grip, pliers, whatever. But I haven't had that problem. But I like it, so yeah, for sure, I would recommend buying it. And that's my product review.